guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be using Maybelline products. So if you want to see how I got this look, just continue watching and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you're not already and share it with a friend. So I already have my eyebrows done. For primer, I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime Blur Plus Pore Minimizer Primer. And to set my face before I put on my makeup, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 35 Deep. I'm going to focus on my T-zone area, which is where I get oiliest. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover in the shade 362. This has SPF 50 in it. Going to go in with another layer. It says it's full coverage, but it's not. As you see, I had some spots over there that was still showing. For concealer, I'll be using the Instant Age Rewinder in the shade Hazelnut. Then I'm going to go over it and add some, I'm going to add some Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 30 Cafe to brighten it up a little more. For contour, of course, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay in the shade 380 Espresso. And I'm almost out, so I have to dig into it with my brush. I'm just going to blend that out with my e.l.f. powder brush. To set my highlighted area, I'm going to go in with that same Maybelline Fit Me in 35 first. Then I'm going to go under my eyes with that 30 shade in the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. To set my contour, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay in the shade 375. And for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Nudes palette. And I'm just going to use that dark brown shimmer shade. I'm going to set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless powder in the shade 365 Nutmeg. For setting spray, I'm using the Maybelline Lasting Fix Matte Finish Setting Spray. I'm just going to push everything in, take off all the excess. For highlight, I'm using the Master Chrome 200 Molten Topaz by Maybelline. And then of course I'm going to top that with the Master Chrome in the shade 100 Molten Golden by Maybelline. I'm going to put that shade 100 in my tear duct and add my moles. I was not expecting these eyelashes. They are a bit too much for me. And then I'm going to highlight my brow with the same shade 100. And I'm going in with Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 112 Composer. And I'm going to outline my lips in dark brown pencil. And as you've seen at the beginning of the video, I end up taking the lipstick off. I think it was just too bold with the eyelashes already being bold. The lipstick was a bit too much for me. That is it, you guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe.